Well, welcome from History Delights.
Hey, we're on a road trip, aren't we, Kevin?
Yes.
Yeah, Tom here, and we got Kevin. He's our technical director here. He does a lot of things. He does a lot of research. Oh, moo cows. You missed the moo cows. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, we are on our way to see, what are we going to see? Hey, we got grandson in the back seat. You know what his name is?
Isn't it something Dino Kid?
Dino Kid. He loves dinosaurs. So.
Hey, Dino Kid, what we're doing?
What are we doing today?
We're going to this one of the largest trains still running today of locomotives, and its name is Big Boy.
Yeah, we're going to go see the Big Boy Locomotive, Union Pacific. It started out in California. It's making its way across the United States in honor of, or celebrating America's 250th. And I think it ends up in Philadelphia as its last stop.
Yep, and then it makes its way back.
Yep, so we're going to Carroll, Iowa. It's going to be making about a 15-minute stop here. And we're going to go down there and take a look at this wonderful locomotive. Well, here we are in Carroll, Iowa. We're at the original depot down here, the passenger depot. And we're here to see the Union Pacific Big Boy Locomotive. Now, this locomotive is the world's largest operating steam locomotive. It was originally built in the 1940s to haul heavy freight over the Wasatch Mountains during World War II. Only 8 of the original 25 locomotives survive today. Of those, Big Boy number 4014 is the only one that still runs. So once again, here we are in Carroll. We're about an hour and a half early before the expected arrival of this historic locomotive, but the crowds are already gathering. And I ran across Doug here, and Doug, are you excited to see this locomotive?
I'm like a 10-year-old.
So what interests you about this?
Well, my dad's a train lover, always have been. I grew up around trains. I grew up in the Chicagoland area around trains, the rail depots and stuff like that, Chicago Northwestern line. So Big Boy is it's something spectacular. It's something that you don't want to miss it.
My only concern is I think we're going to have big crowds here today, and it's going to be hard to get a real close-up look at it. I think we're going to be fighting crowds. And we got a rainy day here a little bit, but it's supposed to clear off.
I don't think the rain's going to keep people away.
I don't think so either. Well, Doug, it was nice to meet you. And
gentlemen, thank you.
Yep, you bet.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Hey, come on, tablet.
Well, I think this is the show. I can hear the steam, or the steam whistle. See the steam coming out the top.
Yes. Got it. Here it comes.
Got a few passenger cars behind it.
Look at the North Pole Express.
Mm-hmm.
Looks like the North Pole Express.
I know.
Well, as you can see, the crowds are lining up for the big boy, but this is not the big boy. It's another train coming through.
Yeah, that's an electric train.
No, this is just another train coming
That's an
through.
electric train.
Yeah, it's another train coming
It's an
through.
electric train.